Hello K-culture enthusiasts and Asian friends, I'm Syifa. Welcome back to my Syifa's journey. I want to show you how we can blend Korean culture, especially its traditional lanterns, with the spirit of ASEAN. So, I'm going to make this iconic 청사초롱, but with a torch, and so have a poem that I'll be reading later to accompany our DIY journey. From Seoul, K-pop calls with a vibrant make. Cheongsachorong, a spirit of freedom, feeling delight. The small screen tells stories of drama and grace, teaching young souls across this Southeast Asian space. Beneath the clear blue skies, ASEAN stands tall. Our-ASEAN, 10 hearts and swearing the call. A harmony of spice, culture, and smiles that bloom. Welcoming friendship, driving away all gloom. Towards now aligned in a singular vibrant beat. Korean and the Southeast, their bond is now complete. When evening falls, in Cheongyang's soft flow, the light of the Korean lantern starts to glow. The gentle handy paper adorning in ancient art. It represents hope residing in every heart. One lantern there, illuminating our shared way. Symbolizing good wish, start a brighter day. The light of the art lantern now made the village torch. The warmth of this friendship burning brightly on the boards. The glow of Korean and ASEAN united the night sky. Cheongsachorong is the drive, the creativity, and the pace. Our-ASEAN is the home, filled with peace and grace. Let us hold fast His promise in the foil of soaking. The lantern stands witness to the bond in between. Stepping forward together, eating new tales in time, from Gangnam Style to Island so sublime. A single vision ahead, a connection that won't kiss. Korean and the Southeast living in the shared space.